Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. I am in a baking mood. I am going to make a Bundt cake. And the name of this Bundt cake is Apple Harvest Pound Cake with caramel glaze. I got the recipe off of Facebook. The ingredients are 2 cups of white sugar, 1.5 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 3 eggs, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 medium Granny Smith apples, peeled, cored, and chopped, 1 cup of chopped walnuts, 1.5 cup of butter or margarine, 2 teaspoons of milk, I guess any milk, you know, 1.5 cup of brown sugar, and that is it. It also have the instructions to preheat your oven at 350 degrees, and you're going to use, let's see, a 9-inch Bundt pan, and it's telling me to go ahead and beat in sugar, oil, vanilla, and eggs with an electric mixer, which I have here, until light and fluffy. Okay, let me go ahead and do that now. Okay, I'm going to put in my cup, which is 2 cups of sugar. Okay, vegetable oil, which is 1.5 cup of vegetable oil. So this is 1 cup and a half. Okay, this is 1 cup of oil. And also a 1/2 cup. Okay. And vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons. So this is a teaspoon. 1, 2, and 3 eggs. This is 3 eggs. And now I am going to whip this together in my blender. Okay, it is light and fluffy. Now I'm going to combine the flour. This is 3 cups of flour. Baking soda, it says 1 teaspoon baking soda, which I do have my baking soda here. Have my cinnamon here. Okay. And 1 teaspoon of salt. I am going to mix it. Okay, I'm going to change utensils. Okay, everybody, I am back. I had to change camera. My battery went low. So right now, I got the ingredient all mixed, the ingredients all mixed together. And now I am going to add the apples. And then it says 1 cup of walnuts. And I'm going to add in walnuts, 1 cup. Okay, 1 cup. But this is what the recipe calls for. See, now that I add the apples and the walnuts, it's getting, thinner. And now I am going to grease my Bundt pan, and I will be right back with you guys. Okay, everybody, this is my Bundt pan, and this is the cake. I'm going to go ahead and pour it over into the Bundt pan. Okay, now I'm going to place it in the oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. This is my cake. I've just taken it out of the oven. And it smells so good. See. Smells so good. Now I am going to put it in a plate, and I will be right back with you guys to make the glaze. Stay tuned. Okay, a stick of butter is a half a cup. A half a cup. It has the measurements here. Then 2 teaspoons milk. Okay, this is a teaspoon. One, two. Half a cup of brown sugar. And now I am going to stir. And it says bring to a boil, stirring to dissolve the sugar. Okay, everybody, here's my glaze. Just gonna pour it on there, hoping that it doesn't run over. Then I'm going to sprinkle on the rest of these walnuts. This is it. This is it. My pound cake. And it turned out good. It is called the apple. Let me see if y'all can see it. The Apple Harvest Pound Cake with Caramel Glaze. And the recipe is here if you want to look it up. Or I may go ahead and put the recipe down in the description box. Alrighty. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit and then I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, I took the other aluminum foil that was up under the cake and I replaced another clean aluminum foil up under the cake here in the cake dish, and I am scraping up the caramel and just go ahead and I'm just placing it on top. You know, it kinda solid. It's not liquidy, but it's solid. think it's better this way. Y'all, that caramel is so good. All right, you guys, that is it. I was gonna cut into it, but it is late and I'm not going to eat a piece, you know, this late. So I'll place it on Instagram. So join me on my Instagram to where you will see a slice of it and how it looks on the inside. So this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified about my videos and you will not be missing any. So go ahead, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and come back again, share and like, you know, this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.